Alright guys, the air show is here. It's Friday. They're practicing. And it's out of control. I can't think. I gotta work today at 3. But I believe the two that are out flying right now are warthogs, and they are extremely loud. There, I don't know if you can see them. They're coming around. Those might actually be... No, these are the fancy ones, guys. I think these might be F35s. And well, we'll see in a minute here. I just wanted you guys to get a sense of what happens here in my backyard. And of course, it's still 100 degrees here in Lincoln today. It's just unrelenting heat that won't stop. And I can see them way up there. I don't know where they're going, but I believe there are 2 F-35s in town for this air show. So again, this is Friday, so tomorrow, Saturday, and then Sunday are the official public air shows, where Airpark is supposed to have 100,000 visitors per day. So Saturday and Sunday, so 2 Husker football games just in our neighborhood, basically. The city is cordoning off traffic. Okay, see, and you don't know where they're at, or where they're coming from. I hear it over here. What is going on? You guys can hear it. Okay, they're very low. I just saw it. Okay, and he just went up. There are trees, of course, but every now and then, here's one right here, guys. I don't know if you can see it. An F-35 or something. Don't quote me on it, people. But it's one of the fancier geometric blocky looking ones. Yeah, it is. I would say that's an F-35. Okay, here he comes, you guys. And this is what I was telling you about. You're like, you're an idiot. Here we go, guys. Cover my ears, you guys, right over my roof.
On my ears?
You don't plug it?
Yeah.
You don't need hearing, do you?
It's okay. Not that loud.
Holy smokes. Yeah, that was too much. That was, I'm pretty sure, an F-35 Lightning. So last time they were here, they had the F-22 Raptor. And it was earth-shattering to the point where it was unsurvivable if the ears were not covered. And as you can see, so we are about a quarter mile south of the south side of the runway up here. And the runway itself is probably 10 blocks to our east. Maybe 8 blocks to where it starts, again, up about a quarter mile. So the Blue Angels and all these guys, a lot of them for their runway flyovers, when they're circling in, like we're in the flight path to where they are coming through. So very common in this shot of blue sky here above our house to see them, all of them just right here in the same spot. And here it goes again. These planes are so intense that even if their butts are just pointed at you, it doesn't matter how far away they are, it's just intense. And it's, again, insufferable. There is no surviving it with unplugged ears. And it hurts even the body. Yep, our neighbor has his American flag up on the roof. So the pilots, yeah, it's awesome. So the pilots can see it when they fly over. All right, oh, right here, right above. You guys probably can't see it on the laser disc other than a dot. Yeah, final answer, Mr. Regis, that's an F35. There's trouble over here now. Yeah. Yeah, last time there was just one Raptor. And, meaning one advanced fighter. And, yeah, this time there's a couple. What did you think of the volume?
It's ear piercing, and it like rumbles your like heart and stuff. Like you can feel it vibrating.
Yeah, it hurts the body. Yeah, you can cover the ears, but it's still painful. It's very strange. All right, but you guys did get the money shot. I wasn't kidding that it's over my roof. And for the Blue Angels on a couple passes, they do come like south to north, hoofing it back, you know, this way, just right over. Okay, there he is. Now watch. I can actually see the fire coming out of the back of that thing. The afterburner or whatever. It's so bright and it's daylight. You look at the back of this thing and there's a bright light coming out the back of it. And again, I don't know where they're... Where is he? Oh yeah, he's right over. He's coming this way, Jenny says. I've just got it pointed because I don't know. You guys can tell it's like just thunder. Worse than thunder. Constant. Alright, retreating back to the shade. Like I said, it's 100 out here, and it's been 100. This is the, I think the 7th day of 100 that we've had in a row. 100 plus degrees. The dew point has been like 80 degrees. Not every day, but it's like so hot that it's like meant to kill. The heat is, yeah, not playing.
Yeah, there's one.
There's one going sideways. And of course on Laserdisc, you guys are just going to hear ruffly sound. Okay, Jenny sees me. Oh, he's up high. There he is. What do you guys think of the heat?
It's hot out. I'm sweating.
Yeah, it just doesn't end.
Even just sitting.
Okay, another one. All right, we might get one more low pass out of these two because they haven't been going for long. But completely intense, out of control. There were two warthogs out flying. Jenny and I went and got ice across the street and went up and did a tour of Airpark proper. And as we were cutting back to the south on Northwest 48th Street, I had my window down because I was looking at something. And this thing was going from west to east, just over the neighborhood, like very low, going faster than you can imagine, that way. And yeah, it scared the daylights out of me. It hurt.
It's going over because it's so high.
That looks like a different one. Okay, and then we got another little plane. You guys can't see anything that I see because this is all digital zoom on a cell phone, so when I zoom in it just degrades the what you see. Alright, but I think those F35s might be done, so I might turn it off and we'll pick it up later. But yeah, guys, it's so hot. It is ridiculous out here. Okay, and I do see one circling out this way, so I might keep you with me for just another second, just in case we get another painful flyover. Okay, here's one right here. He's up super high though. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing or what he is. What's he doing? Alright, just staying real high. It's kind of odd behavior for that one to just kind of, maybe there's something wrong or something and he's taking it easy on it. But I'm an idiot. What do I know? Alright, look at this one, you guys. No, it's not. That's an F35. They can they don't have to fly straight. They can kind of go at it like a wedge, like an angle. So instead of flying straight, he's flying like this. He's doing a wheelie.
Can they land like that?
No.
They could, but it would be the kind of content we're needing, but the last bit of content available. Turn it back on if we get another insane flyover. Welcome to Airpark.